All right, let's dive into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Just released, and honestly, it's looking like a solid contender for 2025's best budget smartphone. First up, the display. We're talking a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED screen, so you get those deep blacks and punchy colors that Samsung is famous for. Whether I'm binge watching or scrolling through socials, it just looks crisp. Now, cameras. On the back, there's a triple lens setup, a 50MP main, 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro. Selfie fanatics, you get a 12MP front camera. These aren't just numbers. They actually deliver some pretty impressive shots for this price range. Storage, out of the box, you get 128 GB. And if you're like me, always running out of space, you can expand that up to a whopping 1.5 terabytes with a micro SD card. Under the hood, there's an Exynos 1330 processor and 4GB RAM running Android 14 with One UI. Everyday tasks feel smooth, and the 5000 mAh battery means you're set for all-day use. Plus, 25W fast charging, though they only toss in the cable, no adapter. There's 5G NFC for Samsung Wallet and even IP54 water resistance. The headphone jack is gone, but hey, wireless is the future, right? And here's what really stands out. Samsung is promising 6 years of updates. That's massive for a budget phone. So that's my quick look at the Galaxy A16 5G. Let me know, does this phone tick your boxes? Drop your thoughts below.